Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss how can add virtual instructor in the LearnDash. So I am in the LearnDash documentation, and at here they provide lots of documentation at here. And in the first step, if I check my course, then there is no instructor at here. So first thing, like at here you can see, and in the first step, go to LearnDash setting and experiment. So I am going at here. I am going at here, LearnDash and settings, and inside setting I am going to experiment, and now enable virtual instructor and click save. Now virtual instructor at here, so you can check, and now in the second step, it is showing in our left side. Now you can see virtual instructor option, then you can add a new virtual instructor. So for that, click on add new virtual instructor, and like at here I am using my name, and at here you can upload logo. So I am selecting upload, and wait a minute. You can upload any photo at here. Sorry, it is not. I was thinking for it, so don't worry. It is not good. Upload and drag. Drag will be good. And use photo, and now you can see many option at here: apply to all course or apply to specific course. If you are managing many courses, then you can select option from here, course name. So suppose I am adding how to earn from WordPress. So for specific course at here, and then click publish. Now you can see at here it was not there, and after adding instructor, you can see this virtual instructor at here. So he can ask, student can ask anything via this like chatbot or to the instructor, so they can answer anything. And for this we also require some open API. So for get open API, like at here you can see in the settings, and click on advanced, and at here advanced Okay. AI integration. So at here you should put open API, and from here you can get open API. First go at platform open API, and you can select any API which you want, like GPT 5.2, 5.5 mini, GPT 5 nano, and they LearnDash suggests GPT 3.5 turbo. And you can also check plans for API, like free, intelligent for every task, but limited access, and 399 per month for Go, and plus 199 per month and Pro. So you can select according to your requirement. And then after overview etc., account overview etc., you can get API. So go at here, and you can like generate your API depend on requirement. So at here you can click create new secret key, and you can put your name etc., like demo LearnDash, and create, and you can copy from here and done, and then you can put at here. Okay, and then you can check at here. So for best practice, you should purchase best plan from OpenAPI and then integrate. Now that's it, guys. I think you understand how can add virtual instructor in the LearnDash. And if you like this video, then please like, subscribe to my channel. And I also provide lots of development services: custom WordPress development, WooCommerce solution, performance, security, design service, geo directory service, web application, migration, etc. So you can connect with me also. Thanks for watching.